spent our weekend down that old dirt road where the vineyard kissed the sky and the red wine flowed, talking about nothing, just you and me underneath the stars and the sycamore tree. Your eyes were shining like a Tennessee moon, and I knew I had to ask you soon. One sweet weekend I dropped to my knee, right there in our little winery. We don't need no shiny hotels or crowded shows, just a bottle of red and a love that pours. Every year we come back, just you and me, to raise a glass where we made history. No need for glitter or a five-star suite. This old winery is where our hearts still meet. The stories we told, they never did end. Like a rows of vines that twist and bend, time's been kind. Like a barrel-aged blend, our love grows deeper, my love of my friend. When I taste that wine, it's like yesterday, the same sweet notes that never fade away. Your eyes still tell that same old tale of love that's weathered every gale.
So let's keep coming back, year after year, to the sacred ground we both hold dear.
It ain't just grace, and it ain't just wine.
It's where your heart first met mine.
Honey, this ain't just a winery.
It's the home of our love eternally.
Let's raise our glass to the vows we made in this vineyard.